Hey guys, this is going to be a review with the divatress.com wig. This wig is amazing and I did cut it. I'll explain everything in the video. The wig is beautiful. You will get to see the closure, or it's not really a closure, but it is hand tied, and just the parting and everything. So I'll show everything. So just stay with me. See you soon. What's going on, YouTube world? I am back with another video. I am going to talk about this hair that I have in that was sent to me from divatress.com. Their custom lace wig, stocking cap wig quality. Sorry for the beeping. We're having some work done at the house and they're doing something with our alarm. Anyway, this is a stocking cap wig quality custom lace wig. This is how the card looks if you are looking for it in the store, and look at how long it is. Oh my goodness, it goes almost to my waist. So I'm going to send you a picture, and the reason I'm sending you a picture of the hair is because I wanted to wear this hair so bad, and I was going out and I just felt like it was really long for me, so I ended up cutting it, as you can see, and it was really easy to cut, just straight across. And when I tell you the amount of compliments that I get on this wig is absolutely ridiculous, but hey, keep them coming, keep them coming. But anyway, this wig is really, really beautiful. It is so soft, no smell at all. It's a synthetic wig. I believe it's a synthetic blend. Let me just see real quick. It's 100% premier fiber is what they call it, Yaki 30. So it looks really natural, and you can put heat up to 350, 400 in this hair. And I did flat iron it a little bit. I kept the layers that were already in it right at the front, and it just frames the face so well. I did not do much at all to the parting space, but I thought it looked pretty natural. I think some girls, if you look at the reviews, they or the YouTube reviews, they really part it. But it's a really beautiful wig. I'm gonna take it off in a minute just so you can see how it's constructed. But yeah, they have many varieties that you can get of this wig, you know, from a little more curlier, shorter, and different things like that. So let me take it off real quick just so I can show you how this wig is formatted. Ooh. So it's got the two, what are those? Two elastic bands in the back. It has a comb in the back, and then it has two in the front. And as you can see, this is how the lace goes. It was like about 2 inches of lace kind of out to here. And I'm sorry guys, most of the time I show you how I'm doing the wig, but I did not this time. But this is how it's all hand tied in the inside. So it's a really nice wig. Very easy to put on, right in the front. Very stable wig, very stable. And that's the wig. I really love this. Like, I did not think that I was gonna like it like I do, and especially the amount of compliments I get from my girlfriends. I'm like, oh my goodness, this. Even I was in a line at Bloomingdale's with my husband the other day at the outlet store, and the girl is just like, oh my goodness, your hair is so beautiful. A little Spanish girl, so she may not even know it wasn't mine, but she, well, who knows, she might have. But yeah, so this is that, and yeah, it has such a length, like you can see in the pictures. So you can it's just so versatile. You can do what you want with it. It really came packed very nicely when it was sent to me, and it also has a bag that the box came in that you can actually put, of course, your wig in for later. So very easy. So this is it. And I hope you all enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.